So your print settings are exactly how you'd like them, and you are ready to proceed with your order. You can view a price breakdown by clicking the Price Breakdown button at the bottom right of the window. This will show you how the pricing works, as well as any additional discounts you may be receiving from discount codes or high quantity ordering. Once you're satisfied, hit the Place Order button to proceed. Here you can finalize your order by choosing your payment options, shipping options, and even select specific shipping options and dates to ensure you receive your parts exactly when you need them. Once your payment and shipping information has been filled out, click Order Summary for one final review, and then submit your order if all the information displayed is correct. If you have any other questions about our free online autocoder for 3D printing services, feel free to contact us and speak to one of our engineering service professionals who would be happy to assist you.